friends, how are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again in this video I'm talking about the new update of the Cardano. What's the current price of Cardano? What's the price since in the Cardano? In this video I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. I hope you all subscribe my channel, my friends. You can see here if we look the latest price of the Cardano in the market. So you can see here the latest price is 1.71 USD dollar is the currently latest price in the market of Cardano live you are watching. And if you look the price changes occur in the Cardano, so absolutely my friends, I'm very happy to see this kind of changes occur in the Cardano, that the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price changes occur in the Cardano is going negative. Only the yesterday price change is negative, except after yesterday the last 1 hour, last 1 week price change is going positive. So I'm very happy to see this kind of positive changes occur in the Cardano, my friends. I can't believe that once again Cardano start moving upward. And you know what, in the end of month every cryptocurrency is fast down, but at this time the Cardano have a unique character to their start moving upward. Let's see what's going on more. You can see here now that is the price chart of last 1 month. You can see here in the last of month the Cardano start moving upward. You can see here in the mid of this month the price fast down very badly, quick fast occur in the Cardano from the last mid of last month, my friends. But now from the last 21 May the price gradually start moving upward, and now still the prices start move upward, friends. So absolutely I really like this move of the Cardano. What do you think, my friends? What do you think about Cardano? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe is very important for all of you because ABS Tech channel give you updates every time, so that is why I request everyone to please subscribe now, my friends. Now if you look the highest price of the Cardano in the last 1 month, so 2.43 USD dollar is the highest price of the Cardano in the market. You can see here now this time that is the highest price of the Cardano on this time. But now if you look the currently price, approximately a 1 USD dollar fast occur in the Cardano. So absolutely I'm very shocked to see. What you think Cardano holds, please tell me in the comment box. And my suggestion, my recommendation for everyone is that it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. It's time to hold. If you decide to sell, so you are in the loss because the last 1 month price is positive but low positive, not very high. You get a very low profit. And if you hold for a long time, so that's easy that you can get a good amount of profit from the last of month. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Cardano? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.